doing this video.
Exercise,
Look at me,
baby.
look at me. About exercise. About what we do, because it's something that was asked of us on one of our videos by Rebecca.
Again?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully what we're about to share is going to answer your question. Starting with Effie. That's what we do. Just like, hey, yo.
We'll do it in song. Well, because I always make her start, now you're going to make me start.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let's see. Do they mean now? Now, right? Not when I started. Now,
Around now, yeah.
if I don't get to do Insanity, usually I run in the morning. So I get my run on. And then Insanity. But then, because Insanity is like a 60-week program, 60-day program, and then you have to redo it again. So, like, that's what I've been doing. And I'm sure you guys are, like, bored of me saying Insanity, but that's what I do. And, yeah, and running. Running is the best, you know, if you want to start off and you want to lose lots of weight. In the beginning, you got to start running. Like, walk and then run. But that's my exercise pretty much. And sometimes Pilates. If my stomach is not... If I'm not feeling my stomach, Pilates. Which is really good because I remembered it off by heart now, the 30-minute one.
Oh my god.
So that's what I do. And some weights. I used to do weights, like, I think they were 10 kg ones. I don't know, that'd be like 20 pounds or something. Like weights. I used to do that. Yeah, I should show you the stretches I do. It's good for the jelly arm. Like, I'm trying to get rid of that jelly arm.
Oh, this one, I've still got it on that one. Not too bad on this one. Oh, you can't see it, but you know.
Yeah, I think once you get rid of that, it's fine. I mean, it makes wearing singlets hard, that's for sure. But, yeah, that's what I've been doing, man.
So what do? So as most of you know, I do PT work with my cousin Holly. And we do circuits, we do cardio, we do pull work. I've just been getting into laps, so I did 300 meters today. Oh my god, man, that was...
You know, that's like a run in itself, but then you're going against water, which is really...
I know, but we've been doing pull work. We've just gotten into tyre work. You know, with the tyres.
I like that picture. There's a picture of Kelly on Facebook.
On Facebook.
You should put that on the Facebook.
Yeah, I'll put it on our Facebook. We'll put the link down there. And we're doing a lot of hill work now, so running up hills.
Good for the thighs.
Good for the thighs, man. Good for the thighs. And what else are we doing? A lot of ab work. Excuse me.
What kind of abs do you want, man? I just want to be a bit flatter.
I just want it very man. That was it. So abs. We do weights as well, like medicine balls. Like we do the what is it called, Russian twists or whatever.
Like that on the side.
Like that, and then a lot of push-ups. A hell of a lot of push-ups. I
love push-ups.
I love push-ups, man. I love push-ups. I've always been
But you've always been quite strong on the push-ups. She's stronger than me on the push-ups. Like, I like it, but I'm pretty weak in the arms for that. But, yeah, I could still do it if I try. She's like,
Nah, yeah. I think that is everything. Do a lot of squats, sumo squats. Circuits, they just, like, range from... Oh, we have the, what is she? She has a 25k like punching bag, and we have to like run with it to one, you know, with one set of cones, drop it, run back to where we were,
God damn,
run back over, jump over it, do push-ups, lift it up, do like 5, what do you call it? Whatever that is.
Press up. Press up.
Like shoulder press or whatever it's called. Whatever it is.
Whatever press of something.
Yeah, it's just a mixture of stuff. It's always changing. Oh, and Pilates and yoga, but we haven't done that for a while. We did that once, but yeah, it changes all the time, which is really good. Keeps it fun. And maybe sometimes a bit of hot hula fitness. You guys might have seen the video.
I really was jealous, Zumba, but I was at work.
Yeah. But Yep, I think I've covered everything.
I think so. I think we
Yes.
both have. So that's what we
and
do.
and a bit of insanity, actually. I need to do that fit test again,
Yeah.
just to see how I go.
Maybe tomorrow
It's getting a bit
we can-
dark.
Maybe tomorrow we can do some
Yeah.
insanity. You know,
Yeah.
it's like I can talk. I can do it with Kelly, and then she can do it. Like try where I am right now. I mean, you know, because it won't hurt her ankle too much either.
Oh,
She
yeah,
probably
I
has
sort
that
of
ankle.
fell a bit wrong today, but I kept going. But I know it's not that bad, it's just a bit stiff. But anyway. Did I say spa work? Oh, and spa as well. But anyway, that's all I do. Bex, I hope we've answered your question. And yeah, again, we're open to any more like questions or
Yeah, like give us some
suggestions or-
questions. We think that Rebecca did a good thing asking us questions, because gave us some things to put on a video.
yeah, to talk about. So yeah, with that said,
Getting
we'll catch you
closer.
next time. See ya.